When people open up a web browser for the first time in their lives, one of the first things they want to figure out how to do is search for something. So whether you've grown up online or seen the internet develop from the early days of the World Wide Web, searching is one of the basic functions of interacting with the web. Now, before the web, if someone wanted to find important information or content, they needed to consult a physical index, whether it was the back of a book, a card catalog in a library, or some other printed material. It was clear from the beginning, however, that the web was going to grow quickly, and it did so at an exponential rate. Somebody needed to figure out how to organize this thing. Early attempts mirrored an old index way of thinking, such as building category-based lists that users could browse through. But you needed to understand the structure of it, such as what names were used to define things, and you had to be willing to dig through multiple levels to, maybe, find what you wanted. It wasn't perfect, but it was the first way to find things on the web, and the people building sites wanted to be listed as highly as possible on these lists, because being at the top meant a better chance that their site would get seen and clicked on. This mentality of ranking near the top of lists would continue into the early 2000s, when Google emerged as the first real effective way to search the web without having to dig through a cumbersome and continually out-of-date list. They built a system that would pull information from websites around the world, index that data, and then provide lists of websites to users based on search criteria. This was a fundamental shift in how people use the web, and it became faster and more inclusive and accurate every day. As people realized the contents of their site affected search results, search engine optimization emerged as the ideal strategy to get your site to rank highly on those result pages. And now, over a decade later, while Google has updated their techniques and algorithm many times, they remain the primary search engine for the majority of people across the world. Ranking highly on search result pages is still an important mission for individuals and companies alike. However, the way in which results are generated and the various types of results shown have changed. Therefore, SEO continues to evolve, and we'll discuss how it works next.